This is the X-Pan Tornado V2M. The Tornado V2M is 55mm, weighs 72 grams, and costs $32.95 AUD, or $24.99 USD. The Tornado is a whirlwind of feelings. Did you get the pun? Whirlwind? No? Anyways, this cube is very fast out the box, however it is also quite stable. It is most comparable to the original Valk and the Valk Power M. This cube also has a somewhat smooth feeling, and if you have accurate turning, you can really take advantage of all of these components. However, there is one major problem with this cube, which makes it unviable to be my main, or really anyone else's main, and that is the corner cutting. I don't know if you noticed from the turning earlier, but this cube's corner cutting is absolutely disgraceful, and I'm completely unsatisfied with it. The terrible corner cutting can lead to a lot of catches, which can then ruin your solves. I mean, just look at this. The color scheme is really nice and is quite similar to that of a GAN cube. The tensioning system is extremely elaborate and really sophisticated, and can be used to achieve a variety of different feelings. The magnets can also be adjusted with 5 different settings, with minus being the weakest and plus being the strongest. All in all, this cube is really interesting and has a truly nice feeling, but I personally think I could never main it. The only people who could main it are those who have extremely precise turning and can handle high speeds. I really think this cube has a lot of potential, but unfortunately I can't recommend it just because of the amount of people who could potentially main it is quite small, and also I personally think it just isn't up to today's standards. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe while you're at it.
No.